In this video, you will learn how to add a new temporary user for your lock. First, open the U-tec app. Tap the user logo of the lock you will add the new user. Tap the plus sign. In user type, select temporary user. Type the user's name and tap next. In this step, you will add the user's fingerprint. Tap Start adding a fingerprint. Lift and place your finger for 6 times from different angles until you see the 6 blue circles, and every number of the U-Bolt Pro is turned on. You also have the option to add a code the user will use to open the lock. Add it and tap Add Code. For app access, you will allow the user to unlock via smartphone. Tap Next. Add the email to send the invitation. Tap Next. Schedule check-in and check-out dates for the temporary user. And tap Schedule to schedule days and hours. Tap OK. Tap Done. You will see the new user on the list.